How to use promo codes in Polybuzz. Want to save money or get free credits in Polybuzz AI? Let's walk through how to use promo codes step by step. So step 1, go ahead and log in to your Polybuzz AI account. So click on this login button at the top right to proceed logging in with your account. So you can log in with your Apple or Google account. You can also manually log in. So go ahead and sign into your account, navigate to billing or subscription settings. This is where you'll find the promo code field. So step 3, enter your promo code exactly as given. Codes are case sensitive, so double check spelling before applying. Now click apply or redeem and your discount or credits should reflect immediately in your account. Promo codes unlock discounts, free trials, or credits in Polybuzz AI.